How would you like to get your website in front of an $80 billion traffic source? A traffic source that gets over 4 billion views per day. And what if you could do it 100% for free? Well, pay very close attention because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how you could put your website, your offer, or your service in front of the same $80 billion traffic source, how you could do it for free, and how you could do it over and over again with multiple different offers by leveraging the artificial intelligence of our new software system for nearly instant results. Results like these. As you can see here, I'm logged into my dashboard of one of my affiliate accounts, and I'm averaging anywhere between $346 a day to $474 per day. That's actually kind of low for this account, but even so, did you know that $300 a day is $10,000 per month, which is about $120,000 a year, give or take a few thousand? So look, this is six-figure potential right here at your fingertips. I want to show you how you can do this type of stuff, right? How you can run affiliate marketing campaigns, online marketing campaigns, and make money, make a full-time living, a six-figure income doing this stuff. So look, this is one part of my account. I want to show you how much we've made in the past 6 months. So let me go over to my profile here and click on Summary. And as you can see, we've made over 10,000 sales on this network, and that's made us about $289,194 in about 6 months. That's almost $300,000 in about half of a year. But you know what's even more exciting than the potential of hitting results like that? Not having to worry about how it's being done. That's right. First, I'm going to put you in front of this traffic source that can produce profits just like I showed you. Then I'm going to give you a software that automates the entire process and gets you paid. Now, it's very important. First things first, I need you to switch off all distractions that might interrupt you during this training. We cannot afford any distractions. So look, close your cell phone, turn off the TV, put your cell phone on silent, and put it in your pocket. What you're about to see is going to shock and amaze you. Hi, my name is Matthew Neer, and I'm an entrepreneur and affiliate marketer. Now that I have your undivided attention, there is something that I need to show you. Can you see this? YouTube has generated over $4.2 billion in ad revenue just in 2015 alone. That's absolutely insane. And it's possible because engagement on YouTube is higher than any of the other major cable TV networks. In fact, people are now watching YouTube like they used to watch TV, which means YouTube commands more attention. If you command attention, you command who sees advertisement. And it's no joke. Last year, over 1 billion minutes were spent watching ads. Yes, 1 billion minutes watching ads alone. That's freaking crazy. What that tells you is people on YouTube buy stuff. And if you know how to position your stuff, like an affiliate link, your product, your offer, a service, a network marketing opportunity, or virtually anything, you could get free, highly qualified traffic to it and generate leads and sales for your business. But that's the problem, isn't it? Getting people to see your stuff on YouTube and Google. How in the world do you compete with over 300 hours of video being uploaded to YouTube every single minute? Well, I'll tell you what, it's not easy, and doing it manually is possible, but it's a real pain in the ass. No one has the time to sit there and build backlinks to videos and all that stuff. And that's why we've automated the entire process to get you extremely fast rankings using artificial intelligence. Introducing VidLift, the Upload, Rank, and Profit cloud-based software app. This is our proprietary artificial intelligence ranking software system, or AIR for short, created by the beast of internet marketing, Seth Bias himself. VidLift will instantly lift your videos to the top of YouTube and Google automatically. Simply just copy the URL of any YouTube video, tell us the keyword you want to rank for, and VidLift does the rest. Let me show you a live example. Watch closely as Seth Bias ranks a video with our software right before your very eyes.
What's going on, guys? Seth Bias the Beast here, owner and CEO of VidLift. Now, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to upload, rank, and profit from VidLift. So let's go right into it, guys. Let's just jump straight into it because I know you're busy. So here we go. You want to upload a file. So here we go. My keyword is going to be how to grow your Snapchat audience fast, right? So there we go for that right there, okay? So now you're going to be learning this in the optimization guide, but for right now I'm going to do it really quick to show you how fast and easy this is. You're going to optimize your channel. Put the tags here. Good, good. Custom thumbnail. Good, done. 5 more %. Processing done. Click publish. Now we can go right here to the video and push pause. Here's the video, okay. I'm going to grab the YouTube link. I'm going to go put it in the air system, right? So what you do is you put the link there, you click go, there it is, okay. Now you're going to put in your keyword, which is your, how to grow your Snapchat audience fast. Copy that, there we go. Put that bad boy in there and let it rank by itself. Right now it's going to be pinging the ranking servers, the social signals, loading all the social signals up, and it's going to start doing the smart link technology. So you can basically sit back, relax as this is happening, get on your phone, text your friends, do whatever you got to do. It'll take about 1 to 3 minutes. And it's almost done, guys. We're at 75% processing, and it's going to tell you the rank at the end where it's going to be. Rank 2, page 1, position 2. So now let's go to actual YouTube, type in the keyword just to see if it's there. And bam, guys, here it is. With under a minute, we're on position 2. Now look, 6 months ago, this person has this video up. 9 months ago, this video's up. 5 months ago, this video's up. It's beaten out months. It's even beaten out Gary Vee, guys, 8 months ago, right? Literally in 1 minute with the VidLift technology, you can rank videos and you can do it greatly. We have an optimization guide that helps you, plus the social signals and everything with the air technology. It's going to be awesome, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you.
Wow, so as you can see, thanks to VidLift, we were able to rank our video extremely quickly. The reason why our system works so well is because we developed a special artificial intelligence ranking algorithm. It combines the 3 factors that Google and YouTube consider when ranking a new video. Number 1, we leverage social signals. Basically, when you run a YouTube video URL through our system, we syndicate that video out to our massive social media network and sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. This is kind of like using a testimonial in a sales page. It's showing Google and YouTube social proof that people are talking about your video, and it gives you a huge boost in the search engines. Number 2, automated ping. We run your video through the best ping notification websites online that tells Google and YouTube, hey, look, I'm a new video, where do I belong, rank me. And by using our formula, you will skew those results in your favor, ranking for the keyword you desire. Number 3, artificial intelligence ranking. Based upon the keyword you give us, our software will use artificial intelligence to select the most powerful places to build backlinks to your video for you automatically, build them, and syndicate them back to Google and YouTube for the perfect boost of link juice. All 3 of these factors combined creates an unstoppable trifecta of SEO power that almost forces Google and YouTube to rank your videos on page 1 for you. But that's not all. When you decide to pick up a copy of VidLift AI Rank System today, we're throwing a copy of the optimization guide for free. The optimization guide is so powerful that by following it, you'll be able to rank videos without even using the VidLift AI Rank software. So imagine what's going to happen when you combine VidLift AI Rank with the optimization guide. You'll be set for total SEO domination in YouTube and Google. And as you can see, you have everything you need to rank videos quick, easily at your fingertips right now. You saw a live demo of how fast we're able to rank a video using our software. The only question left is, which package of VidLift will you be choosing to purchase today? If you look below this video, we will have several different options listed below for you to choose from. Choose the one that's best for you and take action today. Buy yourself a copy of VidLift and start leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to rank your YouTube videos for you automatically. And remember, when you act now, you'll be getting our premium optimization guide along with your purchase to help you understand the best practices to rank videos on their own, then supercharge them with the AI Rank software. So again, take action now, choose the VidLift package that's right for you, and get instant access today. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to having you as a member and meeting you inside in the members area, and not to mention helping you rank a ton of videos with ease. I'll see you there.